Hello. Today I will show you how to fix the Beyerdynamic DT 990 Pro over-ear studio headphones, when one side not working. I also have a video on how to make a detachable cable mod for Beyerdynamic DT series headphones. But today, let's fix the Beyerdynamic DT 990 headphones when the sound is not from left or right side. In my case, the right side does not sound. Start with open the channel test audio from this video description, and start checking all the cable connections. If the sound start for a small moment, then you know that the damaged is that wire connection, and it needs to be fixed. For me, the sound did not appear on the right channel at all. This means that you have to open up the headphones. With your index finger pull off the earpad, it's easy. Then with a flat screwdriver, remove the fixing plastic ring. Remove the foam filter, and carefully take out the speaker housing. If anyone is interested, here are all the speaker numbers. Now use a multimeter to check that the signal from the 3.5mm jack contacts reaches the speaker contacts. The wires are whole. Also check the speaker itself with the multimeter. As you can see, the multimeter does not show 250 ohms, but infinity. This is the worst case scenario in any headphone repair, as the wires can be easily and cheaply repaired. But a new speaker has to be found first, and it costs tens of dollars. These headphones were dropped on the floor, and then the right side stopped working. Probably this small wire that is smaller than a human hair is damaged, so use your headphones with care for future. But now, to get a new replacement speaker, type Beyerdynamic DT 990 Pro 250 ohm replacement driver into the internet search engine, and look for the best deal. I got mine from a local online shop for $53, not cheap, but I want to get my headphones fixed. Check the new speaker with a multimeter, looks good, about 250 ohms. With a soldering iron, unsolder the wires from the damaged speaker, but remember which side has the red and white wires. Then tin the side contacts of the new replacement speaker, and solder the wires in the same position as they were on the old speaker. Check that the contacts from jack to the speaker contacts is reachable. Super speaker is reachable. Now you need to put the headphones together. The speaker housing pin needs to be inserted into the headphone groove. Then put the foam filter over the top, and the fixing ring, to hold everything in place. Then, just slide the earpad's cushion back over the edge. If you can't do it, open our last video, how to replace Beyerdynamic DT 990 earpads. Then opening the phase test video on YouTube. I found that my new speaker has the opposite phase. I had to change places the white and red wires on the new speaker, to get everything correct, and make the headphones sound like new. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below the video. Thank you, and have a nice day.